Ollie, are you trying to crawl? Are you trying so hard to get your book? Oh, you're trying so hard. You're trying so hard. Yeah. You're almost there. You're almost there. Look at you. You're working so hard. Oh, you're trying so hard. Oh, don't get mad. Don't get mad. Here. It's closer. It's closer. It's closer. There you go. There you go. Oh, don't get mad. Don't get mad. No. Don't get mad. You're okay. Here's your book. Here's your book. There you go. You're almost there. There, oh, there's your book. Are you too tired now to read your book? You too tired now? You're okay? Oh, that's so exhausting, huh? You're so exhausted. There's your book right there. It's right in your little face. Ollie. Are you mad at me? Oh, you're so tired. There it is. There it is. You're still right there. Oh, it's okay. Oh, don't get mad.